Hey guys, it's Chef Lily here from Link 2, and today we have Globe's newest product, the GSV18, the immersion circulator. Today we're going to be baking in water. We're going to be doing chocolate lava cake and a little bit of Semifreddo. To get started, we have our dry ingredients, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. We're going to mix those together, and then we're going to gather our wet ingredients. In the mixer, we're going to add our wet ingredients. We have our melted butter and our brown sugar. Stir that in, and then we're gonna add our vanilla, our large eggs, a little bit of coffee, and some sour cream. We're gonna mix the wet ingredients until they're fully incorporated, and then we'll go ahead and gradually add in the dry ingredients. We're gonna spray down our mason jars, and then we're gonna make sure we don't overfill them. We're gonna tighten our lids, and we're gonna place them in our hot water bath. The GSV18 has a super simple control panel. Here we have our current temperature reading, the temperature that we have it set at, and then the time. It is able to connect to your smartphone, and we have the heating element and the pump is circulating right now. To adjust time and temperature, simply hit time and temp. You can adjust plus or minus. We're gonna adjust the time up to an hour for our cakes. Our sous vide bath is up to temperature. While that's cooking, we're gonna gather our ingredients for the Semifreddo. We have a little bit of sugar and some egg yolks. We're gonna combine our sugar and our egg yolks, pour it in a cryovac bag, and we're gonna go ahead and seal it. We have our sous vide bath at 165 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and temper our eggs and our sugar in there for about 8 minutes. We're gonna agitate the bag once or twice throughout the 8 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the mixer. And there you guys have it. We made a no-turn ice cream and a chocolate cake. Desserts made simple by the Globe Immersion Circulator.